everyone, so I'm not really a YouTuber. I don't make videos or anything like that. But you see, I'm here because my boyfriend has been struggling with something really personal that I believe you all know what it's about. Let me tell you, finding honest videos on the supplement has been nearly impossible. He's been hesitant to share his struggles because he's afraid of his privacy, but he wanted to help others in a similar situation, so he asked me to step in. Today I'm going to share his experience with Prostavive. Well, my boyfriend began to notice difficulties with his performance. It felt like he was constantly battling with his confidence and abilities. Intimate moments became strange, and the pressure to perform weighed heavily on him. No matter what he tried, whether it was different techniques or lifestyle changes, nothing seemed to offer a lasting solution. Dealing with this issue made our relationship stressful, to say the least, and we worried about its impact on our future together. Then he heard about this supplement, and even though he wasn't too sure, he reached a point where he was willing to try anything. The fact that it's backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee caught his attention, so with nothing to lose, he decided to give it a try. In the beginning, it seemed like nothing much was happening. During the first month, he didn't notice any major changes, and that's usually the point when people start to lose hope with any new supplement or routine. But in the second and third months, the transformation was undeniable. His performance took a significant turn for the better. He felt stronger, more energetic, and his stamina improved dramatically. It wasn't just about his energy levels either. His confidence skyrocketed. It was as though the changes in his body and mind gave him this renewed sense of self-assurance, which started to show in other areas of his life. Our intimacy, for example, reached new heights. It was like we were experiencing each other all over again, with more passion and excitement than before. He really thinks that commitment made all the difference. So that's his top tip. Stay consistent. Simply mix 1 scoop of the supplement with water or your favorite beverage daily. Take it with a meal for optimal absorption, and this will do the job. He's very sure of that. And yeah, about his experience. This was it. He was skeptical, but this supplement surprised him and went above and beyond what he expected, to be honest. Now, watch out for fake stuff from random websites. I'm only telling you this because there are a lot of people out there selling this supplement on Amazon and eBay, claiming to be the original one, when that's not the case at all. The only guaranteed way to get the original supplement is through their official site. You can find the link where he bought it in the video description. It's where he bought it, so you can trust it's safe. And like I said, he only saw results from the 2nd and 3rd months onward. That's why going for the 3 or 6 month supply not only saves you serious cash, which is great, but also ensures there's no break in your progress. So yeah, I really hope this video helped you guys. If you decide to give the supplement a shot, don't forget the official link is in the video description. We hope we helped you in some way, and thank you for watching.